from 60 countries. Now, this is a remarkable achievement, and that shows, without any ray of doubt, that Pakistan, alhamdulillah, is a destination for our foreign guests, buyers, traders to visit Pakistan, enjoy Pakistan's culture. City of Karachi, gateway to Pakistan, our mountains where we have pristine beauty. All this put together, you are combining your business with pleasure, and we all welcome you wholeheartedly. Ladies and gentlemen, textile has been the backbone of our, not only our industry, but our exports. Of course, along with leather. And I really deeply commend and appreciate our industrialists sitting here, exporters, and experts who have contributed immensely in promoting Pakistan's textile and leather exports. Despite various challenges on the way. Of course, there have been dips at points in time, but here we are. You are very robust, very futuristic, and extremely hard-working entrepreneurs that has gradually built Pakistan's export sector. And of course, your quality of export is second to none. World-class companies import